This is an unboxing video of the Powerus 15,000 watt amp. You open it up. You have your manual. You have your Powerus sticker. On this side, you have your Allen keys for the amp. On this side, you have a banner, like a windshield banner. It's pretty long. I'm not going to unroll it, but you get the idea. The manual, this is the 1.0 version, mind you. But, just see right here, it tells you 1.0. But the cool thing about this amp, because it has a Korean board, it's actually half ohm stable. So that's the good news about this amp. Now, at 12.6 1 ohm, you get 15,400. At 14.4, at 1 ohm, you get 17,808. So, being that this amp can go down to half an ohm, expect these numbers to go up, pending on your electrical in your car. So, just showing you guys the manual and everything. The cool thing about it is they tell you in Portuguese and in English, so that's a good thing. Now, onto the amp. Turn it around. You have your limiter on, protection light, clip light. Now, the 16 and 17 volts, if you're running as low as 7 volts, that light will come on. If that light comes on, that's not a good thing. You shouldn't be running that low. Now, if you're running more than 16 volts, then the 16 volt light will come on. That's not a good thing either if you're running more than 16 volts. This is not made for a 16 volt setup. This is a 12 volt amp. So I would not recommend playing this amp at 16 volts or higher. Now, I'm going to pause the video and take this amp out. Okay, as you can see, this amp got some size to it. Over here, of course, you have the speaker inputs, 6/8 gauge wire. Then you have your bass boost, frequency, high pass, low pass, your limiter, which I love that feature, and the gain or level. Again, this is not a volume knob. I'm telling you right now. People think that, oh, I'm gonna turn it up. No, it's not a volume knob at all. Now, move to the other side. You have your fans, obviously, and your 0 gauge inputs. Actually, oversized 0 gauge inputs. Now, I'm gonna tell you a neat feature about Powerus. If you're able to get your hands on, which I could probably supply you guys on 80kaudio.com, where you can purchase this amp along with other Powerus amplifiers. The more 0 gauge inputs you can get in here, like if you get the adapter where it has 2 0 gauge or 3 0 gauge to 1 that could go in here, the better, because this amp puts out a lot more juice than just having a single 0 gauge, just power and ground. So the more 0 gauge wires you can get in here, the better. But this is the Powerus 15,000. Powerus 15,000. You can purchase this amp at 80kaudio.com.